Harbor BTS, Harbor BTS. This is motor vessel Pacific Star, inbound at waypoint Alpha. Requesting permission to enter port. Current visibility is less than 1 nautical mile. Over.
This is BTS, Harbor BTS, MB Pacific Star. This is Harbor BTS. Roger your report. Confirm your position and intentions. Over.
This is motor vessel Pacific Star, Harbor BTS. Motor vessel Pacific Star is 0.5 nautical miles south of waypoint Alpha. Speed 8 knots. Intend to proceed inbound via traffic lane 1. Over.
This is BTS, MB Pacific Star. Copy your position. Be advised, outbound vessel MB Coral Queen is exiting the port via the same lane. Recommend you hold position until vessel clears the area. ETA to clear in 10 minutes. Over.
This is motor vessel Pacific Star, Roger, Harbor BTS. Holding position south of waypoint Alpha. Will maintain listening watch on channel 16 and 12. Standing by. Pacific Star out.
This is BTS, Pacific Star, Roger. Maintain safe distance and stand by for further instruction. BTS out.